Welcome, today I'm for the Motorola Edge 30 Neo and I'll show you how to mute notification sound on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then scroll to the sounds and light section. Then you'll see here notification volume panel. Just to mute your device notifications, you should hold and swipe this dot to the left side with your finger. Also, we can make it by the second way. Just press up or down volume button here on the right side of our smartphone. Tap to these three dots and you will see the same notification volume panel. Just to mute notifications, swipe to the left side this dot and then confirm your action by click here to done, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.